Tesla CEO Elon Musk decried Bitcoin's insane energy use after Tesla payment made the U-turn on Bitcoin, and as much as $365 billion were wiped off cryptocurrency market after Tesla stopped car purchases with Bitcoin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up, like this video, and share in social media, please. So Reuters is reporting that Tesla's boss Elon Musk denounced the quote insane amount of energy used to produce Bitcoin on Thursday, doubling down on his sudden rejection of the cryptocurrency as a means of payment over environmental concern. Bitcoin fell more than 10% after Elon Musk, one of its most famous backers, tweeted his decision to suspend its use less than 2 months after Tesla began accepting it as a payment for its electric vehicles. Other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, also fell before regaining some ground in Asian trade. Quote, "Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future. But this cannot come at great cost to the environment," Musk tweeted on Wednesday. He followed this up on Thursday, tweeting a graph of Bitcoin's power consumption and saying, quote, "Energy usage trend over past few months is insane." Here's what he said. I'm going to quote something from his tweet. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transaction, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use more than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. And he also tweeted, like I said, energy usage trend over past few months, and he said it's quote-unquote insane. Friends, Reuters says that Tesla revealed in February it had bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, the world's biggest digital currency, before announcing it would accept it as payment for its electric cars in March. The company later said it had trimmed its position by 10% in the first quarter. The announcements turbocharged the crypto market, driving the price of Bitcoin up to about 20%. Yet they highlighted an apparent contradiction with billionaire Musk's reputation as a champion of low-carbon technology. Some Tesla investors and environmental campaigners have been increasingly critical about the way Bitcoin is created or quote-unquote mined. High-powered computers compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles in an energy-intensive process that often relies on fossil fuels, particularly coal. Musk said he backed the concern, especially the use of coal, which has worst emissions of any fuel. Tesla would retain its Bitcoin holdings with the plan to use the cryptocurrency as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy sources, Musk said. So I guess that means if you can mine your Bitcoin using solar power, I think that could be doable. So investors welcomed the U-turn. Quote, "We were surprised it took Musk so long to recognize the detrimental impact of Bitcoin on the environment, but are happy to see the reversal of Tesla's position," said Ben Deere, CEO of Osmosis Investment Management, which holds Tesla stock in several portfolios. He said the reversal will, quote-unquote, put pressure companies moving forward to think twice about the consequences before accepting it as a form of payment, adding the volatility of Bitcoin makes it commercially non-viable for large-scale corporate adoption. Meltem Demirors, Chief Strategy Officer at digital asset management CoinShare Group, said Tesla was unlikely to have sold many, if any, cars using Bitcoin, and the Backflip generated positive publicity while simplifying payment process. Elon was getting a lot of questions and criticism, and this statement allows him to appease critics while still keeping Bitcoin on his balance sheet, the Mirror said. Mark Humphrey Jenner, an associate professor of finance at the University of New South Wales, said he was more concerned about Tesla management's very hasty and precipitous decision making. Musk did not say in his Twitter comments whether any vehicles had been purchased with Bitcoin, and Tesla did not immediately respond to a request for comment from Reuters. Musk reiterated he remained a strong believer in cryptocurrency. He tweeted on Wednesday saying, "We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use more than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction." Actually, less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. Just a day earlier, Elon Musk had polled Twitter users on whether Tesla should accept Dogecoin currency he has helped turn from a joke into a valuable commodity. He announced on Sunday that his commercial rocket company SpaceX would accept Dogecoin as payment to launch a lunar mission next year, just hours after he sent the cryptocurrency spiraling downward when he called it a hustle during a guest host spot on the Saturday Night Live TV show. The dominance of Chinese Bitcoin miners and lack of motivation to swap cheap fossil fuels for more expensive renewable could mean there are few quick fixes to the cryptocurrency emissions problems. Officials in Beijing are conducting a check on data centers involving in cryptocurrency mining to better understand their impact on energy consumption sources, told Reuters last week. So, because of all of this, as much as $365 billion were wiped out of cryptocurrency market after Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin as a form of purchase. So, CNBC is reporting that hundreds of billions of dollars were wiped off the entire cryptocurrency market after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that the electric vehicle maker would suspend car purchases using Bitcoin. At around 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, when Musk made the announcement, the value of the whole cryptocurrency market stood around at 2.43 trillion, according to data coinmarketcap.com. By 8:45 p.m., the market capitalization had dropped to around 2.06 trillion, wiping off around $365.85 billion. The market has since pared some losses, and by around 6:30 a.m. this morning, the cryptocurrency market had seen around 235 billion wiped off of its value. Since Musk's tweet, Bitcoin was down around 12% at around 49,624 according to CoinDesk data, dipping below the 50,000 mark for the first time since April 24. Despite the recent pullback, Bitcoin is still up over 400% in the last 12 months. Well, friends, let me know what you think about Tesla stopping accepting Bitcoin as a form of purchase. Do you think it's a great idea? I think it's a good idea and safer idea. I just want to say that I don't have any positions in Bitcoins or Tesla. I am not in the stock market. I just report news for you unbiased way as much as possible. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and EV news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day, and please give us thumbs up if you found this report informative.